Denim never disappeared, even after trend cycles changed, even after fast fashion accelerated, even after athleisure reshaped the market, people still return to denim. Why? Because denim does something very few fashion products can do. It adapts. Every generation reinvents it, every culture reshapes it, every era projects meaning onto it. And today, denim culture looks very different than it did 20 years ago. The premium denim boom changed, manufacturing changed, consumer behavior changed. But denim still remains one of the strongest identity products in fashion. This is denim culture today. Denim is no longer just about luxury. There was a time when premium denim dominated fashion conversation. Designer jeans, celebrity culture, department store walls filled with premium brands. That era mattered. But today's denim culture is more fragmented. Consumers move differently now. Some people want heritage denim, some want sustainable denim, some want vintage Levi's, some want Japanese Selvedge, some want oversized streetwear silhouettes, some still want premium stretch denim. There's no single denim culture anymore. There are multiple denim cultures happening simultaneously, and social media accelerated that fragmentation. Now, trends move globally almost overnight. The rise of vintage denim culture. One of the biggest shifts today is vintage denim culture. People are searching for authenticity again, not just branding. Older Levi's, faded denim, distressed naturally over time, made in USA construction, selvage details, wear patterns. Consumers want character. And interestingly, the imperfections now create value. That's important because denim originally became respected through wear and labor. Now, consumers intentionally search for evidence of wear because it feels emotionally real. The market changed psychologically. Japanese denim influence. Japanese denim culture also became hugely influential, especially among serious denim consumers. Japanese manufacturers helped preserve slower production methods, vintage shuttle looms, selvage construction, and fabric obsession at a time when mass production accelerated globally. For many consumers today, Japanese denim represents craftsmanship and discipline, not speed. That's almost the opposite of fast fashion culture. And globally, denim enthusiasts became deeply educated. People now discuss ounce weights, rope dyeing, shrinkage, loom texture, fades, fabric mills, chain stitching. Denim became technical again, almost archival. Social media changed denim culture. Social media changed denim too, a lot. Now, denim is heavily tied to visibility, outfits, aesthetic positioning, streetwear culture, luxury branding, TikTok trends, Instagram styling. Sometimes the image matters more than the garment itself, and brands understand that. Today, denim often functions as content, not just clothing. Wide leg denim trends explode online. Vintage fits return. Y2K silhouettes cycle back. Distressed styles disappear and reappear constantly. Trend velocity became much faster. But underneath all that, manufacturing realities still exist. Fit still matters. Fabric still matters. Wash development still matters, even when consumers don't see it. Los Angeles still matters. Los Angeles still plays a role in denim culture today. Not always at the scale people imagine, but the knowledge remains here. Pattern makers, wash developers, fit technicians, sample makers, denim consultants. A lot of premium denim intelligence still exists inside Los Angeles, even after production shifted globally. That knowledge doesn't disappear overnight, and many newer brands still come to Los Angeles for development because denim is difficult. really difficult. A good jean looks simple, but technically it's one of the hardest products to perfect consistently. Sustainability and denim. Another major conversation today is sustainability because denim production can be resource heavy, water usage, chemical processing, distressing methods, fabric waste. Consumers are asking more questions now, and brands are responding differently. Some focus on recycled cotton, some reduce water usage, some market repairability, some emphasize longevity over consumption speed. Whether the industry fully changes is another conversation, but awareness has definitely increased. And denim sits directly inside that conversation because it's one of fashion's most mass produced category, what denim really represents now. Today, denim represents something interesting: stability inside constant change. Fashion changes constantly, but denim survives every era: workwear, rock culture, hip hop, luxury fashion, streetwear, minimalism, vintage culture. Denim keeps adapting because it absorbs identity. That's why it never fully disappears. And that's why Los Angeles denim history still matters too, because this city helped shape one of the most influential denim eras in modern fashion, not just aesthetically, operationally. Denim culture today is fragmented, global, digital, technical, nostalgic, and trend driven all at the same time. But underneath everything, the same foundation still exists: fabric, fit, labor, construction, and identity. That's the real story of denim. Not just what people wear, but why they keep returning to it. And that's the part behind the label.